what's up guys? Yes, you just saw that. That was part 1 of me shooting this unboxing because I had got a comment before on one of my videos that you can see nothing. So I decided to invest in a ring light so you could see my videos a lot better. Yeah, I had to shoot the whole thing, and now at least you can see how beautiful it is. Look at that. So nice. So you already saw the unboxing I did, and now you can see this little bad boy up and close with some good lighting. I mean, I'm trying to create better content for you guys, so hopefully you guys appreciate it. That way you can see the details much better here inside. I ended up paying $48.94 with tax. And this little bad boy, this retails for $75. Here's the exact model number, $75. And I picked it up on sale for $45. And I know I had seen it on the summer sale for $37. So I missed out on that. I had already purchased this from Macy's. And I'm not sure if they still have it, but if they do, I will link it down below for you so you could find it easily. And it has 1, 2, 3 card slots on one side and 3 card slots on the other side, which makes it a total of 6 card slots. Yeah, I don't know why I'm counting again. And inside, now you can see better. Inside is their typical oxblood color. Now, one thing I will say, if you're gonna use the middle compartment, you're gonna have to put whatever it is you're putting in here first, and then putting your card slots in here, and then putting your cards in here, because as you will see in a little bit, we'll show you, it makes it difficult to get whatever you're getting out of here when you have the cards in here. That's the only thing I did not like about this card case. Take a look at that beautiful Coach emblem. Super cute. And inside here you can also see the oxblood lining. I don't know if that's cotton. Yep. And inside here is leather. The leather. And okay, I have put in 3 cards in here. There's nothing on the other side. And so far, well, I have access. I could easily put something in or out because there's nothing on the other side. And I'm still able to open it up, which I'm still struggling to put this little, just pretend it's money, okay? So yeah, but watch, once I put cards in the back, of course I don't want to put my real cards, so I'm putting whatever are these cards once, and it starts getting a little difficult. Okay, so once, see, ooh, snug fit. So once I have cards, not slots, get down in there. Okay, so now they're all in there. You see, I cannot really get in here or open this up. I mean, obviously, if you have it sticking out, okay, it's not that easy to pull it out either. Oh, it's tightly in there. You see, I have to struggle a bit. Let me see, $1. Okay, it's only $1. Wish I had more, but I hardly ever carry cash. Ugh, okay, say I had more than $1. I mean, it's still gonna be a struggle to get it in there unless you put it in like this, then properly. But if you decide to put it in like that, I mean, it gets a little hard. You're gonna have to do a little work to get this money in there. That's the only negative I will have to say about this little card case. The only negative is that it's hard to get things in and out of the center slot because you already have the other card slots full. So it's just hard to get anything out of the middle compartment. But aside from that, it's a beautiful card case. This is part of their Deco line. Very nice. I like it. I like it. Super cute. Well, I don't know if it'll work for me on a everyday basis. So that's why I'm still between should I keep it, should I not keep it. I don't know. Just because I have a lot of credit cards. Maybe I shouldn't. And it's funny, I always used to tell Mom, damn, you have way too many credit cards. And look at me now, I have like freaking 8 credit cards. No, actually, I think I have like 6. But either way, I don't need so many damn credit cards. You know, those rewards, they get you with the rewards. Sign up for my credit card and get double points when you make a purchase. And I'm a sucker for that, and I always get pulled into that. But anyways, enough rambling. Beautiful card case. That would be my only negative. Middle compartment gets stuck. So that's it for this little video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will get to you as soon as I can. Other than that, if you enjoyed this video, was helpful, please give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.